Hey sis, thank you for stopping by. You probably own this kind of shirt in your closet and you've been wondering how to restyle it or where you can wear them to. We're all about that today in this video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to restyle these tie front shirts that I purchased from Fashion Nova. I'll show you so many ways that I can style it, that it can fit into church, into work, into hanging out, into going dancing. Yeah, I'm going to show you several ways. And without further ado, ladies, let's jump right into today's video. I purchased this satin shirt from Fashion Nova. They have it in different sizes, but for size reference, I'm going to be styling the size small. The first one I'm going to be styling it with, I'm going to be styling in a way to wear it to work. Also, when you go from work, you can transition into going out to date night. With this, you're just going to lose the blazer. That's all, except if it's a cold season period, then you can leave the blazer on, or maybe the restaurant where you are, wherever you're hanging out, is a little bit too chill for you, then you can leave your blazer on. Otherwise, you can just wear it to work like this and transition into another date night event or something like that later in the day. So this is the first way I style it. Moving on to the second one, I style it to go to work. Depending on the nature of your job, all right, will determine if you can wear white pants to where you work. Depending, okay, if you are the 9 to 5, 8 to 5 kind of office person, of course you could fit into this. But if your job has to do with kids or has to do with being on the field all the time, it has to do with cleaning things here and there, then the bottom part you have to use some other color, maybe like black, just like the way I style it, like a formal like a casual business look. That's what I'm going for here. Then you just lose the blazer as well, then change the, don't use white at the bottom. But I want to blend these two colors together. That's why I chose white at my bottom, and also I wanted to flow and elongate my legs. That's why I chose a white. Shoes, just to tie the look all together. And for the next look, I chose to style it with a leather skirt, depending on where you're going. That's why I said you could style this to go to a date night or to go dancing if you go to the club. All right, don't judge me. I used to so, and I know how to style myself to different occasion. Wherever I'm going to, I dress according to the occasion. All right, so if you the type that you're going dancing, or you want to go at clubbing, you can just style this particular one. You can style this shirt with a leather pant with a knee-high boot. So styling it with a knee-high boot comes with a caveat, okay? That is it, depending on the weather or depending on where you live at. If it's during the winter time, of course I will recommend styling it with a knee-high boot. But if it is during summer, a sling back will be the perfect solution for this outfit to look all put together and be ready to go to the bar or to go dance. All right, and also I move on to style it in a way for my girls that would like to wear blinks, to go out at night, especially if you're going dancing. You want to stand out, you want to be blinking. I love blinks, so I have a lot of blinks. All right, so I style it with this blink. I started with these blink leggings that I've worn in the past. This is why I said you all probably will have similar things in your closet. And this top, just because it's tied at the front kind of a style, does not restrict you from styling it with different outfits, and you're still going to see the style of that satin shirt. It's not going to be hidden. All right, so I move on and I style it this way, and I style with a with some blank shoes as well, because what is going out at night without blinking is, I don't understand, as in how I love to stand out when I go out at night, and I want my everything to blink. Now this is where I am, so you don't have to be looking for me. That is during the night. This shirt is just can be styled in so many ways, and I'm going to give you a bonus, which I'm not going to mention how I'm going to style it. You're going to see it. Don't go out, don't click out, because this is just the bonus of the video. Oh, you're still here. Thank you for hanging out with me again. Thank you for hanging out and not clicking out. So the final one I'm going to style is, I'm going to turn it into a very elegant, very sophisticated outfit. So here I'm going to style it with these two velvet material that I own in my closet. It's a tube gown. Also, I could style it as a gown, which as a skirt rather. I've done that before on this channel. I styled this tube dress as a skirt. So today I'm going to be styling it with this front tie satin shirts because of the luxe look of the shirt and the luxe look of the velvet material. It just make it look more elegant, and with the brooch that I put in front of it, elevated look. With the shoe and the purse and my accessories, let me just say my accessories is screaming rich auntie vibe, right? All right, my ladies, what do you all think about these stylings? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please do not forget to give me likes. If you're coming across this channel for the very first time, this channel is all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank, and we rewear our outfits, we restyle it multiple ways. On this channel, we don't waste no outfits. We don't wear just one outfit just because of one occasion. We multi-purpose it, we restyle it to get the value for our money. If this sounds good to you, please subscribe and please share this video with your friends and family. Maybe they will find it entertaining, educative, or informative. You never can tell. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.